words that are used in place of naming words. Now, put your finger here. Put your finger here. Let's read the definition quickly once. Let's read the definition. The words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they have been used in place of naming words. They are called pronouns. They have been used in place of naming words and they are called pronouns. Right? Remember we did this exercise that day, underline the pronouns and write them on the blanks. We did this exercise, everybody completed it? Give me a thumbs up. Alright, Hardik says straight. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Page number 20. Come to page 20. You have to match the columns here. You have to match the columns. We have one and many. One and many you all have done. Right? Now here we have to replace the nouns with pronouns. नेमिंग वर्ड्स की जगह पे हमें प्रोनाउंस यूज करने हैं और मैच करना है. सी द फर्स्ट वन हैज बीन डन फॉर यू. माई सिस्टर एंड आई. माई सिस्टर एंड आई. द प्रोनाउन वर्ड विच वी यूज फॉर दैट विल बी WEV. See, the line has been drawn for you. Can you see that red line? There's an arrow over there. You can see the red line. Okay. The second one, number 2, Gaurav. Number 2 is Gaurav. Now, Gaurav is the name of a girl or a boy. Rishita? Rishita? Gaurav is the name for a girl or a boy?
Boy.
Boy, right. और boy के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? He या फिर she? He, that's right. So Gaurav को हम मैच करेंगे he से. On A in the many column, A वहाँ पर लिखा है he. Draw a line over there. Draw a line over there. Use your scale, children, please. Look here. Like this, draw a line and use a scale. Please use a scale. You should have a scale in your pencil box. Draw a straight line.
Ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ronik.
Which page number?
Page number 20.
Okay.
Page number 20. Got it? Adhiraj, have you done? Adhiraj, do you have your book with you?
Ma'am, I'm done.
All right, Ronik. Adhiraj, have you done the matching? Where's your pencil and ruler? Use your ruler to match number 2 with alphabet A on the right hand side, the column. All right, next number 3, you have the word RITA, Rita. RITA, Rita. Rita is the name of a girl or a boy. Ayat Fatima Rizvi. Ayat Fatima Rizvi, can you tell me? Rita is the name of a girl or a boy?
Girl.
Girl. Okay, and for girls we use he or she?
She.
She. So match number 3 with alphabet B on the right hand side column. Draw a line there. Use your ruler, children. Next, number 4, the book. Number 4 is the book. Book is a non-living thing. Inaya, we are going to match it with which word of the pronoun word?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
It. Okay.
Ma'am, what page number?
Prashasti, page number 20.
Okay, ma'am.
Exercise B on top. All right. Number 4, match with alphabet E on the right hand side column. Draw a line there. Arav, sit down.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ria.
मैम 4 नंबर को कौन से अल्फाबेट से
Number
मैच
4
करना
is
है?
the book. Book is a non-living thing. So for non-living things हम लोग ने कौन सा word study करा था, use करेंगे हम it, it. So match it with it, it. Alphabet E पर लिखा है it, it on the right hand side column. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay.
match it. And the last one, number 5, the students. The students. Vinayak, students, more than one. So we will replace it with which pronoun? Right hand side column में देखिए many. The students के लिए हम use करेंगे THEY, they. THEY, they. Gaurav is one boy, Rita is one. Then the book, one. The students, many column में match करना है. He, she, we, they, it. Number 1 is already done for you. I'm repeating this for the children who joined late. Number 1, my sister and I, we. Number 2, Gaurav is a boy. We match it with he. Number 3, Rita is a girl. We match it with we. Number 4, book. We match it with it. It's a non-living thing. And the students, we match it with they. All of you finished? Please write over there, learn, children. Put over there, learn. Write on that exercise, learn.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I go to school.
Go. Okay. All right. Now, exercise C. Read about Tanya's family. Now, look at this picture given here. See, there's a beautiful picture. This is Tanya's family. Now, Tanya is a little girl. This is her family. Now, you have to fill in the blanks and see what are the things they are doing. Now, we start with the picture of the father. Can you look at the father here? Tanya's father. Can you see? Now, move your finger here. Put your finger there. I'm reading this. This is my father. Dash works in a bank. Now, father is a male person, a boy. So, we will put over there H-E, he. Put over there H-E, he. This is my father. He works in a bank. He works in a bank. H-E, he. Capital H because after father there is a full stop. So H-E, he, capital H. Have you written H-E, he? Show me a thumbs up. Okay, fine. Next, see the little brother playing cricket. Next, the little brother playing cricket. This is my brother. He likes to play cricket. See, the little brother. This is my brother. He likes to play cricket. Then moving down, this is my mother. This is my mother. She is a teacher. This is my mother. She is a teacher. Put over there she. Mother is a female, lady, girl. So we put she over there. Next arrow is pointing towards Tanya. It says, this is me, dash, love my family. Now what will come here? Yes? I. Okay. Right. This is me, I love my family. This is me, I love my family. Right over there, I. And the last one, this is Ruff, our pet. Dash is a very friendly dog. Now tell me which word did we study for the animals?
Animal.
IT it. Okay. Put over there. It is a very friendly dog. And write learn over there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ronik.
Excuse me. बेबी में आईटी लगेगा क्या अच्छी ही लगेगा
Yes, Ronik.
मैम बेबी में आईट भी लगा सकते हैं क्या
किस में? Ronik.
ब्रदर में
This is my brother. He likes to play cricket.
लगा सकते हैं क्या
He likes to play cricket. Brother is your boy. It's a boy. So for boy we use he. Ronik, I can't hear you chant properly. Say it again.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Prashasti, just a second. Yes, Ronik, what are you trying to say, child? Ronik?
He, ma'am, he. He, ma'am.
He is used for boys. Okay? He is used for boys. Yes, Prashasti?
मैम वो डॉग नहीं लगेगा
Dog के लिए you will use it.
मैम
it. For animals we are going to use it.
ओके मैम
Okay, for non-living things and for animals we use it, and sometimes we use for little babies. Okay, got it all of you? Completed that exercise? Put over there, learn. Now the next exercise says replace. You have to place again the highlighted nouns with he, she, it or they. हाईलाइटेड मीन्स जो अलग कलर से, डिफरेंट कलर्स से लिखे हुए हैं वो नाउन्स हैं, उनकी जगह पर हमें प्रोनाउंस यूज करना है इन द ब्लैंक. Ayat Heather, the first one. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
this is Mrs. Sharma. Mrs. we use for the ladies, for the girls. Okay. Now the blank is there and it says is a good cook. So what are we going to use? He, she, it or they?
Ma'am, she.
She. Okay, good. Right over there, she. This is Mrs. Sharma. She is a good cook. This is Mrs. Sharma. She is a good cook.
Ma'am, she.
Yes, Ishanvi, she. Next page, number 2, sentence number 2. Look at the pictures also very carefully. This is Dr. Smith. Dash works in a hospital. Aradhya, this is Dr.
He
Smith.
works in a hospital.
Dash works in a hospital. Aradhya,
Yes, ma'am.
वहां पर हम क्या लिखेंगे? He, she, it या they? पिक्चर को ध्यान से देखिए. That is a boy. That's a man. This is Dr. Smith. Dash works in a hospital. So हम Dr. Smith को replace करेंगे किस pronoun से? He, she, it या they?
He.
He. That's right. For boys we use he. So right over there, H-E, he. He works in a hospital. Okay, Wali, fine. Sakina, the next one, number 3. These are firemen. These are firemen. Dash put out fire. These are firemen. Dash put out fire. More than one. So we will use T-H-E-Y, they. Okay? Put over there T-H-E-Y, they. These are firemen. They put out fire. Children, you have to learn up these words. I had told you, I had made you mark on page number 19. I told you learn up the words given over there on page number 19. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. I told you learn up these words so that you can do your work easily. Next.
Ma'am, I have done, ma'am.
Number 4. This is Shyam. Dash is a farmer. Shivansh?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is Shyam. Dash is a farmer. He. Shyam is a boy. That's a
Shyam
boy
is a
over there.
boy.
So put over there H-E, he.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am. मैम फायरमैन में क्या लगेगा?
They. More than one. एक से ज़्यादा है. Many. So T-H-E-Y, they.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Arav, you finished? Good. Tell me the next one, Arav. Number 5. This is Rav. Dash is my pet dog.
Ma'am, it.
It. I-T, it. Number 5. I-T, it. Ishanvi, right over there. Number 5. I-T, it. Yes.
I have done my work.
Okay, good. Next,
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Vaishnavi, tell me the answer to
Ma'am,
number
I have
6.
done my work.
Okay, Ronek, switch off your mic.
Ma'am, I have done my work.
Switch off your mic. Yes, Vaishnavi, what is the answer to number 6? This is Beena dash styles people's hair. Now Beena is a girl, so we will use which word over there, Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi, which word are we going to use over there?
She.
She. Okay, S-H-E, she. All right, Ronik,
All
number
right,
7.
Ronik, now
These are
these
policemen
are
dash keep us safe.
Ma'am, ma'am, they.
They keep us safe. Okay, fine.
Ma'am, they.
Omansh, the next one. This is a bag. Dash belongs to my friend.
It. I-D-A.
It. It belongs to my friend. This is a bag. It belongs to my friend. Now, children, listen carefully. You have to learn up the words that are given there. On page number 19, I told you to put learn in this
put
pink
learn
over
in
here.
this thing.
I told you to put learn over here. All of
Learn
you
over
have
here.
put
All
learn. Let's open to this page. Let us all read this again. Open to page number 19, all of you. Open to page 19. Put your finger on number 1. We use I for our own self. All of you repeat. I want to see your lips moving. Come on. We use I for our own self. We use, next point, the second one. We use you for the person we are talking to. We use you for the person we are talking to. We also use you when we are speaking to more than one person. We also use you when we are speaking to more than one person. एक से ज़्यादा की बात हो रही है, then also we use you. Next point, we use he for a boy or a man. We use he for a boy or a man. Ishanvi, put your finger there and read, child. Next, we use she for a girl or a woman. We use she for a girl or a woman. Ria, read. I want to see your lips moving. Next, we use it for non-living things, comma, babies and animals. We use it for non-living things, comma, babies and animals. Some children are reading, I can see their lips moving. Some of them are not. Next, we use WEV when we talk about ourselves along with someone else.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Prashasti?
मैम नंबर 5 पे क्या लगेगा?
Prashasti, you're talking about the sentence. This is rough. It is my pet dog.
यस मैम.
Okay, Shivansh, why is your mic on? You want to ask something?
सॉरी मैम.
Okay. Next, we use we when we talk about ourselves along with someone else. Yes, Sanvi?
मेरे को 2
Yes. And the last point, we use they when we talk of people or things that are more than one. they हम यूज करते हैं जब हम एक से ज़्यादा people या things की बात कर रहे हैं. More than one. अभी आपने पेज नंबर 21 you read, these are firemen, they put out fire. These are firemen, एक से ज़्यादा. See the picture, there are two firemen. You can see there are two firemen. So we use the word they, more than one. So make sure, children, that you are learning up. Yes? Yes?
नंबर वाला कौन सा है?
Yes, sure? Sure, which number are you asking? Yes? Shall you speak loudly so that I can hear you?
मैम चैप्टर 20 का सब
Page number.
चैप्टर 21 का
Page number
पेज
20.
नंबर 21 का 7 नंबर समझ में नहीं आ रहा हमको.
Page number 21. Page number 21. Number 7. These are policemen. Shubh, are you asking about this? These are policemen. Can you see the picture, Shubh? These are policemen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and I just told you when it is more than one, जब एक से ज़्यादा है तब हम यूज़ करेंगे THEY they. Right over there, THEY they.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Anya?
Number, ma'am.
Anya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you're asking something? Ishanti, sit down. Children, I will be posting your homework. I will post these two exercises also, these two pages. In case anyone has missed out, you can complete your work. Okay, I'll be posting this. And yesterday's sums which I gave you, today some children's names I'll be posting in the group. They have to send me the work. Right? Yes. Prashasti, one at a time. Inaya speaking. Let me hear. Yes, Inaya? You've got the flag?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Prashasti.
मैम नंबर 5 पे उसका बता दीजिए. दिस इज रफ.
It is my pet dog. It is my pet dog. This is Ruff.
Okay,
it is
ma'am.
my pet dog. Okay?
समझ में आ गए.
Sakina, are you saying something?
Ma'am, please can sign work. Ma'am, I have done my work.
Children, science, you have to read the lesson, right? Okay? Now join your hands, close your eyes, let's say our prayers. All of you join your hands, close your eyes, let's say our prayers. We finished the classes for the day. Join your hands. Oh God, thank you for this beautiful day you have given to me today. Thank you for lessons and tasks which enlarged our mind and made us able to cope with difficult things come on our way. Thank you for the good values which we will never forget and forgive us for our misdeeds which we would like to avoid always. This prayer we make for your love's sake. Amen. Good morning and thank you, children. Have a nice day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you. Bye, ma'am.